Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. Welcome back to Wrocław. This is our final full day here. We're here again obviously tonight in the hotel, and then tomorrow we head up to Poznan on the train. This is absolutely stunning, this place. Like we try and leave the hotel a different route each morning and head down a different street to see like a different perspective of the Old Town. I think we're venturing out of Old Town today though and having a little look somewhere else, but whew, what a place. It is so beautiful. You definitely need to come here. There's Venky's finger. Lovely little tram ride along the Millenium Bridge here. We've just been up the top to have a look at it. But would we really have been here if we didn't get the drone up? That was Millenium Bridge. Have a look at it through here. What a beautiful bridge. And this is right underneath the bridge now. Just running for our tram. The public transport here is honestly fantastic. Like, it's so good. We're off the tram and we're back at this train station, but it's not to leave. We're just having a look in the shopping centre. What's it called, Pam? Wroclavia. Wroclavia. We're just going to have a look in the shopping centre now, but I thought I'd get a little footage of this train station. And there's another gnome. There's a gnome. We've just stopped for a drink in the train station, 1 minute shop. Poland does some of the best fruit juices I've ever had. This time bark, my word, is incredible. Get a time bark. Next level Wars food cart. This is where we're going. Wroclavia. But is that Wroclavia? 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 This is supposed to be Poland's cheapest supermarket, Zdroj. Let's have a little look. Right, we had a little look around Wroclavia. I don't know how you say this place, because it's Wroclavia, but that doesn't sound right. We just had a little look around there in Zdroj. It was quite nice to see. Now we're just chilling, planning our next thing we're going to do. Here's the next thing on the list. Check this out. The anonymous passerby statues coming out of the ground. And I've got another Pepsi pineapple here. They're so good. Walking through that little gnome spraying water. Oh, such a lovely treat. think it's time. Can't escape the fizzy water anywhere, so I've just got a can from the Zabka, I think that's how you say the shop. It's one of these, fizzy water, lemon flavour. I'll give it a go now. Okay. Let's give it a go. It smells good. Oh, sorry, that is rank. That is horrible. Polish people, I don't know how you do it. Everywhere you go, Polish people are drinking fizzy, carbonated, flavoured, some just fizzy water. It's like drinking. What's horrible?
Fizzy water.
It's like drinking fizzy water. It's horrible. Nah, that's not for me. That is not for me.
Back to the good stuff.
Just so you know, I'm not wasting this. I am finishing it off, but it's horrible. Also, it's lime and mint flavour. Lemon and mint flavour, sorry. I mean, if these guys want to sponsor a video, I'll say I like it if you bring me back to Poland. If you're in Wrocław and you're thirsty, why not try a delicious one of these? All done. I drank it. We're just inside Rossman now. I thought I'd show you around a little because women might watch this, right? We've just come out of Rossman and it's night time. What? So busy here, obviously it's a Friday night, everyone's out. I've never seen this square like this while we've been here. So right now, I'm just doing a little live stream here, out onto the square. We're sitting in the oldest restaurant in Europe, which is, I'm not going to try and say the name, I'll show you it. Thank you so much for watching. We're back at the Wyndham now. That was Wrocław. Tomorrow we're heading up to Poznan. That should be good. And I just realised I didn't film an outro, so thank you so much for watching, subscribing, liking the videos, it means so much, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.